We'll guide you through how to make an Amazon wish list and share it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Amazon, and so you want to go and make a wish list and go and share it. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Perhaps you're doing this for your birthday or for another reason. It doesn't matter, we're guiding you through this step by step. Make this full guide so you don't go and miss an important part of the guide. So to go and get started, what we need to do is we need to go and find the first item we want to go and add. So come to Amazon as we already are, and you want to make sure you're signed into your account as well. You can go and see I am, it'll go and say hello and your name in the top right. If you aren't, it'll go and say sign in, and you can click there and sign into your account. If you don't even have one yet, you can go and create one. Now what you can do is you can go and press search Amazon at the top and go and find something you want to go and add. Let's go and say I wanted to go and add an iPhone. I want to use the iPhone 17, so I'll click on it. Then once you're on the product page, what we need to do is you need to come over to the right, and you want to come and scroll down, and you're going to go and find the option for add to list, and you can go and press the arrow pointing down to the right, and you can go and press create another list as I currently already have one. You can then give this a name. I can name this birthday, or whatever you're sort of doing it for. And then you can go and press create. And that's now been added. Now what you can do is you can go and press view list, but we haven't finished yet. We're going to start adding some more items. So we can then scroll down and find a case we want. I'll go for a clear one. Now you can come down on the right and go and find add to list and click there. And then you can go and choose the list. So that's been added to the wrong one, to be fair. So if that happens to you, what you want to do is press the arrow to the right, and then you can go and select that list. So yeah, just make sure you go and add it to the correct list, because if you go and add it to the wrong one, then of course, if you go and share the other list, it's not going to be there. So what you can keep doing is keep on repeating that. Now, what you want to do is to go and find the list. You can either go and hover over your name in the top right where it says hello, account and lists. You can come down here and you want to go and find your lists. Or if we go and add one more thing, let's go and say I wanted an iPhone charger. I'll go and just grab this one here, for example. What we can do is go and add this to the list. And this is, I think, the easiest way to go and then access it. So we've now added it to the birthday list. We can press view your list over to the right here, and here it is. Come over to the right and you can go and press the three dots and press manage list so we can access the important settings. So you can come down to delivery address, and you need to go and select the address you want it to be to. So you can go and choose that there. And you can then go and choose if you want to go and keep purchase items on this list. I don't, because otherwise, if someone buys it, someone might buy it again. And I like to go and not have my surprises spoiled. After you've set that there, go and press save changes. And then what we can do is go and share this. So come over to the right and find the square, the arrow coming out of it. And you can go and invite someone, or you can go and allow them to view and edit it. So I could press view only, for example. And then what you can do is go and copy the link. And then you can go and paste that within an email or a message. You can actually invite people by email as well. You can invite people to view and edit as well if you want, and they can add or remove items from your list. So you've got some different ways you can go and have others go and access the list as well. So that's it. That's how it can be done. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future.